Hey everybody, today it will be garlic soup. We have cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic, thyme, organic vegetable broth, butter, coconut milk, ginger, onions, roasted garlic, and we're ready to get with this. So let's get it. First thing we're going to do is chop up the onions, big or small, it doesn't matter. Try to find the very best ingredients. If it's not kosher, get it organic. You need the very best for this soup. My daughter called and said she had cough due to cold, so here is mama. Okay. So we take 2 tablespoons of the butter and we melt it and put the onions, the thyme, the ginger into the pot and get it to sauteing so it can get transparent. And that is some cayenne. Just stir it up, and then we're going to walk away and leave it alone for it to do what it do. Now we're back, and there it is, transparent. So we're going to move to the very next step. Now we're putting in both the garlic raw and roasted. We're going to mix it up a little bit, and we're going to let it sit so it can do what it do. Okay, it is looking like how I need it to look. So now we're going to go on ahead and we're going to add the organic vegetable broth. We're going to stir it a little bit, and we will be letting it sit so it can kind of stew for a little bit here. And here it's ready, so we're going to, you have to wait for it to cool, y'all, before you blend it. And there it is, all blended up. That is the soup. But now it's the very last step is the coconut milk. And this is the time to also season to taste. Only salt and pepper, no other seasonings at all. This is the perfect soup for when you're not feeling well, so you don't need any extra seasonings. And here you have it, that garlic soup. When you serve this soup, you cut the lemon and squeeze some on top of your soup, and it's a done deal. Like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. And I thank you guys for your time. I'm out.